So another search pattern that we can use is using a Boolean query. So I have an attempt here in Summon, and I'll type in enterprise or entrepreneurship, close the bracket, and education and university, and then I click search. So it's an advanced search query that will try and search for all documents containing enterprise or entrepreneurship and to do with education and university. So I'll scroll down and I'll have a look. Entrepreneurship, partnership and training, entrepreneurship in small startup, portable academic entrepreneurship. So this is probably something that I would want to have a look at. Academic entrepreneurship. It is highlighted there. It's got entrepreneurship, and there on the description, fostering of university-based entrepreneurial activities. So yes, it does populate papers that are interesting to me that possibly I might want to have a look at.